Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about colors in SASS. Color is also a data type in SASS. We can represent color in three different color models: hexadecimal, using RGB, and HSL. For RGB, we can use same CSS property called RGB, and here RGB is taking three arguments, three color components, which is like RR, red, GG for green, and BB for blue. Color component value from 0 to 255. Let's take one random color value, and if we print it dot RGB color is RGB, and now we can get the hexadecimal code. So we can find the color components like red, green, blue using built-in functions in SASS, and these color component functions are, let's say, red, red of color variable, and for now we take it as, and same with green, and same with blue. So it is very easy to get the color components from RGB color model. RGB display property where red is $red, green is $green, and blue is $blue. If we save, we can see 100 to 170. We have one more function, RGB function, which is like RGBA alpha value. So this takes alpha transparency value for the color components we are using. For the final color, how much transparency it needs, 39,1. This color transparency can be between 0 to 1. Another one is HSL. For HSL, it takes three arguments like RGB, but in HSL we will pass first the degree, second the saturation, which is in percentage, and the third one is also lightness, which is also in percentage. So degree can be vary from 0 to 360. Let's add 200, 30, and 80. So this is the HSL color we will get, and we can write HSL. This color is HSL. If we save, we will get the hexadecimal code of HSL. So unless or until we don't use RGBA or HSLA, we will get the color in hexadecimal, and same with the HSLA. So HSLA, it will accept 4 parameters, and it will also work like the same like the RGBA was working. And again, we can get the color component for HSL also. Like if I want to find the hue, then there is a function called hue, the color code HSL, and we will get the HSL color, hue of the HSL color, like hue. So $hue, if we save, we will get the 200 degree. Same with the hue, saturation, again accept the color value. In saturation class, we can write the value of saturation. and one more is lightness is lightness with HSL, lightness component, it will be 80%. So these are the two basic color models we usually use in CSS or SCSS. And now few built-in functions SASS provide to perform operations like mixing the colors. For mixing we can use mix. Let's create two color codes. One is color, this is the basic color, and one alternate color, combinations of color and alternate color. And we can use one variable called degree also. Let's make it 60 degree, and one is the amount, let's make it 80. Now if we try to mix the colors, we can use $mix. Mix is the function that will accept two parameters, which one, $color comma $alternate color and comma tint value, let's say 40. And if we create one mix class, and inside mix class we use color is $mix, and here you can see we get the color with color mixing with 40% tint. Lighten function, this lighten function accepts two values. One is the color, the amount. For lighten background is lighten. If we save, 0, 0. Okay, now this is far better color. And same with the darken. Here darken value will be color and amount. We can paste dot darken it. One more function is saturate, and it will accept two parameters and dot saturate $saturate. One is desaturate, which goes in minus in saturation level, $desaturate. You may check the saturate desaturate in HSL color model, and here desaturate and dot dollar desaturate. So there are many colors, like grayscale is also there. Let's create those also. Grayscale, one is complement color, complement, save it. Okay, some error. Sorry, these amount will not be there for these colors, only color will be passed. $invert, so invert will give you the 180 degree opposite color. $invert. And I have created one HTML where I am using these classes inside a div. So let's give these divs some style. Width is 100 pixel and float is left. If we save and we give it a try, open in browser, you can see lighten, darken, saturate, desaturate, grayscale, complement and invert. I forgot to tell you the adjust hue. This adjust hue is also one color function by SASS. We will pass one color and the degree. $degree dot adjust hue background dollar oh dollar adjust hue. If we save and refresh, we get the, and this is the base color, one for the color class, color, what actual color we are using. So background is dollar color, not alt. So base color was pink. If we adjust the hue, it can be red, and light pink, dark pink, saturated, desaturated, grayscale, complement and invert. These looks like same, but it is actually different. What I made it wrong is I used instead of 00, if I write 99, it will be different now. Okay, and now you can see complement, invert. So if you pass either in red color component or green or blue, if any one is 0 to 0, then it will not give you the different color. Complement and invert will become same. So there's few more functions left, but it will be time taking. You may go through documentation, you can find it on the basis of requirement. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my videos, and please make constructive comments as well. Thank you.